Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax of Dallas. We're going to take a look at a Harris Solstice 230 with a halo bimini and a 250 on it. All right, so 230 Solstice. Solstice is always one of our most popular selling luxury models from Harris. This one came equipped with the halo bimini top. Gives you the look of a functioning tow tower without the actual functionality of being able to pull off the top of it. Just brings it in at a lot lower price point, but still gives you the look that people are looking for. Wraparound seating in the front, the white trim out, which is really, really good looking on the chestnut interior. We generally, if we do a halo, we're generally going to do a single screen that's also going to be a tech package one. So single screen, single subwoofer, single amplifier. If you see the other ones online that have the full functioning tower, most of those are going to have dual screens, dual subs, dual amps. This one in an SL floor plan, so flip-flop backrest. Really, really nice transom area. Lots of extra room. Does have the new lily pad ladder, which I really, really like. Fender storage on the back and submersible swim platform. And of course, this one does have the 250 horsepower power assisted hydraulic steering motor on the back of it. So if you've got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.